Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, the offices are finally starting to open here in Bangalore, and so did my office. Since it was my first day in office after about 2.5 years, I thought why not take you guys through this journey and share about all that happened in that day. So, yes, let's get into the video and I hope you like it.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms.
Okay, so it's the day before, and I'm about to go to office tomorrow, and I'm starting all my preparations now. Well, there's not much if I'm being honest, but just because it's the first day that I'm going tomorrow after 2 years, I have planned some stuff to do so that I look presentable tomorrow and I'm not late for work tomorrow. So let's start. As it's been a while since I last went to office, I had mixed feelings about it. I was happy that I was going back, I was going to meet people, I was going to meet my teammates that I had only heard on call before. And I was sad that I was going to leave the comfort of my home and going to go there and work 9 to 5. Well, we all know in India it's not 9 to 5, but you know what I mean. So, here, whatever you are seeing is my daily basic skincare routine: cleaning my face, brushing, applying a face pack, and shaving my face, which is not a daily thing. Now, after the mundane tasks or my skincare routine is over, and since I'm going to office tomorrow, I did not want a messy home or at least a messy desk. So, here I'm cleaning my desk and making sure that when I return back home, I don't lose my mind. Well, FYI, I pretend I am Miss Universe when I am alone or in front of a mirror. Well, over the period of 2 years during work from home, I had built a habit of spending at least an hour a day after waking up for myself. But since today I have to go to the office, sadly, I did not have the luxury of time. Back in the day, before 2 years, when I was going to the office, I usually used to pack my lunch. But today, I just was not in the mood of making something for lunch. So I prepared myself a good breakfast and had my lunch in office. I always thought that I would never be happy about going back to office after enjoying the comfort of working from home in your pajamas. But this time I was strangely excited to go to the office. Well, 2 years ago, when I used to go to the office, I did not apply makeup every single day. But just because today is the first day, I plan to do something different. Well, as you can see, I started off with the brush, but then reality hit, I was late, and I moved on to my hands. Do let me know how you like this simple makeup look of mine in the comment section below. Well, do you think after having filming all this and having everything planned out the previous day, I would be on time to office? Well, if you thought that, you're completely wrong, because no matter if I plan everything, I start an hour early, I would still be late. Okay, I'm running late. See you at the office. Here is me sharing my OOTD from my office bathroom. Well, currently, since the offices have just started to open, in our office we are getting happy hours, meaning we would get free coffee and snacks. And after having a quick cup of coffee and a short photo session, it was time for me to get started to work. Well, to be precise, this is not exactly the first time that I am in office after the March of 2020. Back in November 2021, I did go to the office just to exchange my laptop because it was not working. By the time I complete my work and go to lunch, I'm inserting a short clip of the last time that I was in office for just an hour. But before that, only 0.8% of the people who watch my videos are subscribed to my channel. If you are liking this video so far, please do consider subscribing, as it will really motivate me to make videos in the future, and I am just a few numbers away from getting 500 subscribers. Do help me reach there. Now on to the video. Finally, I've reached office and I'm going to exchange my laptop now. So talk to you in a bit. So much can change in just a span of 2 years. Well, back to the present day. I went for lunch after having completed some of my work at around 1 pm that day. Going to office was exciting, but who am I kidding? I can never take naps after lunch, which is why I am sipping on my lemon tea and holding on to my dear life while completing my tasks. Just got done with the day. Time to start to home. Just got done with my work today. I initially planned to start from office at around 5:30, but then eventually I ended up doing some extra work, and I started from office at around 6:45 p.m. So there was terrible traffic, and yeah, time to go have my dinner now. I just reached home at 7:30, had a call, got done with that, had back-to-back calls till 8:30. So yeah, so yes, that was all about my day, you guys. I hope you enjoyed how my day went, and I hope you have followed along with me till now. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you like these kind of videos, please do subscribe to my channel so that I can make these videos in the future. And if you have any more video suggestions related to my life, office, any of the routines that I do, then do let me know in the comments below so that I can do those videos for you guys. Till then, bye bye.